GitHub is filled with code bases that might contain exactly what you need, but it's hard to know which ones are actually worth your time. Installing and learning a new codebase can take hours, and since few people have that kind of time, it's easier to just close the browser tab and put it off for later. Then you just end up with a big list of GitHub codebases that you hope to learn someday. There are AI tools that can help, so ChatGPT, Cursor, Claude Code, etc. But the one with the lowest barrier to actually doing it is probably Deepwiki. Deepwiki works for any public GitHub repo. All you have to do is to change GitHub in the URL to Deepwiki, and you'll find yourself in an alternate set of documentation. It literally takes 15 keystrokes, which is something you probably do have time for as you're browsing a new repo. Deepwiki is a project from Devin AI that pre-generates alternative documentation for every public GitHub repo. The distinguishing concept between this and other AI tools is the pre-generated part. You don't have to issue a query or even know what to ask. Deepwiki is just already there on the internet, waiting for you to take a look by swapping out the URL. Most of the time, the Deepwiki documentation is more helpful for getting started than the Codebase's native documentation. So here I am in the Deepwiki for Atomate 2, which is a codebase that I'm currently doing video tutorials on. The Deepwiki page clearly lists out the different simulation workflows available and even has diagrams of what those workflows look like. You can also directly ask questions about the codebase to Deepwiki. This feature is useful, for example, to get a general sense of whether the code does what you want, but it is pretty slow. So it's great if you want to just quickly fire off a couple of questions here and there, but by the time you get to like your 6th or 7th question, you'll get tired of waiting and you'll probably want to switch to like a different tool like Claude Code or Cursor. One particularly useful and interesting feature of Deepwiki is the Codemap tool. Contrary to its name, Codemap doesn't produce a map of the code. What it does do is give a code-centric guided tour of how certain functions work. For example, one notoriously tricky portion of the pymatgen code is a module called chemenv. Chemenv is a powerful module for calculating the local environments of atoms, but understanding how it works internally is pretty opaque even if you have guided examples to help you. So if I need to figure out what's going on in chemenv, I can get a guided tour of how the module works using Deepwiki's Codemap, which will walk me step by step through the chemenv code. If the Codemap is still confusing, Deepwiki offers a guide which provides helpful context and background information. The guide is usually very helpful when you're unfamiliar with an algorithm and you feel completely lost, so take care not to miss that button. Finally, although Deepwiki is really useful, it's not a complete solution. It doesn't work for private repos, it doesn't work for repos hosted outside of GitHub, and if your codebase is changing really rapidly, the Deepwiki documentation can go stale and out of date. You might be able to get around some of these limitations by signing up for a Devin account or by trying to install some external Deepwiki-like tool, but this really removes the major advantage of Deepwiki, which is lack of friction. Overall, if you're just dipping your toes into a new codebase, Deepwiki is something that's worth knowing about. And unlike most AI innovations that you never even get around to trying, this one is just a few keystrokes in your existing browser, which is something that you can do immediately before you close the tab on that next interesting repo.